I wonder what I should do today. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. That's a lot to climb. Ooh, good kitty. Oi! That's my cat! Nuh-uh. I got here first. Whee! Ah, stop it! Hey, get off me! Ow! Why did you do that? Whoops. Where did the cat go? Uh-oh.
I'm the strong one, I'm not nervous. I'm as tough as the crust of the earth is. I move mountains, I move churches, and I glow cause I know what my worth is.
Found him. I'm naming him Puma. Okay, let's go back home.
Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life.
OMG. Monkey, do you see that? Nope. I only see a stuffed shark and a horse. Seriously? There's a kitten. He's sleeping, so try to be quiet. Let's go do it. And this time I'm naming it Pablo. You can go. I'm gonna stay. I'm gonna draw Pablo.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need.
we're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.